Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your Roku TV. It's important to know that Roku TVs do not have a built-in Roblox app. Therefore, you will need to use another device, such as a computer or a mobile phone, to cast or mirror the game onto your television screen. Make sure both your Roku TV and your chosen device are connected to the same wireless internet network for a smooth experience. This setup will allow you to enjoy your favorite Roblox games on a much larger display. There are a few excellent ways to get Roblox onto your Roku TV. One common method is screen mirroring, which duplicates your device's display directly onto the television. Most Android phones and Windows computers have this feature readily available. For those with Apple devices, AirPlay provides a similar seamless experience. Additionally, you might consider using a dedicated casting device, like a Google Chromecast, for even more flexibility and ease of use. Choose the option that best suits your current setup. Now, let's walk through the connection steps. First, navigate to your Roku TV's settings and enable either screen mirroring or AirPlay, depending on your casting device. Next, on your computer or mobile phone, activate its casting or mirroring function. You will then see a list of available devices. Simply select your Roku TV from this list. Once a successful connection is established, open the Roblox application on your casting device, and it should appear on your television screen, ready for play. To ensure the best possible Roblox experience on your Roku TV, here are a few helpful tips. Always maintain a strong and stable wireless internet connection. This is crucial for smooth, uninterrupted gameplay. Close any unnecessary applications running on your casting device to free up processing power. You might also want to adjust your television's picture settings for optimal viewing. Finally, for enhanced control and a more immersive experience, consider connecting a Bluetooth game controller to your casting device. Enjoy your games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.